So how do you add a missed workout to the Apple Watch? Let's get started and let's begin. So if this is your first time on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, you cannot really do it directly on the Apple Watch, but you're going to need to use your iPhone, which is obviously paired to that Apple Watch, but there you need to do this. Anyways, you just open up your health application, and in there you need to go to the search icon where you can browse all of the menus and everything, right? And in there you need to go to your workouts, right? So you will find it in part of the activity in here, and you can see we've got all of the different things and all of the options available. But you can go to the activity, tap on workouts, and you can literally tap on the plus button in the top right corner and record the activity type. So you can go and choose, I don't know, it was running or whatever else it was. You can type in the calories burned and the distance in the miles, or it depends on how you have your iPhone and Apple Watch set up. But the point is that, for example, you are running on a treadmill and you didn't just start tracking that on the Apple Watch. Perhaps you only see the data from the actual machine, that from the treadmill, right, telling you how much you burned or how many miles you ran. You can manually import it into this workout, right? So it's going to appear on the Apple Watch as well, as it's all synced, right? So you also choose the date and a time where it began and also when it ended. So it will all be saved in the health application. So it gets the job done. Obviously, it is much better to just capture it on the Apple Watch when you begin, but if you missed that for whatever reason, you can add it like this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully do this. In case of any questions, subscribe and use the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.